If you want your wood flooring or furniture to last without those annoying gaps popping up, you gotta make sure you acclimate that wood right before installation. So, here's the lowdown on acclimating wood properly. First, bring your wood inside the room where it's gonna be installed and let it chill there for at least 72 hours. This gives the wood time to get used to the temperature and humidity of your home. Keep your heating or air conditioning running like normal during this time, so the environment stays steady. Stack the wood with spacers between each plank so air can flow freely around all sides. Check the moisture content with a moisture meter if you can. Ideally, it should match the moisture level of your subfloor within 2%. Don't just install straight from the box or truck. Rushing this step almost guarantees gaps later. If the weather outside is super humid or dry, you might need to wait longer to avoid problems. And remember, every home is different, so pay attention to how your specific space affects the wood. One of the biggest mistakes people make with wood installation is skipping acclimation altogether, leading to gaps because the wood shrinks or swells after it's down. Another common issue is not measuring moisture levels properly. Too much moisture difference between the wood and subfloor causes warping and separation. Lastly, stacking wood flat on the floor without spacers traps moisture, causing uneven acclimation and those dreaded gaps. Fixing these means always giving your wood enough time to adjust indoors, using a moisture meter to compare levels before installing, and stacking with spacers to let air circulate. BigHomeProjects.com is a handy spot for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about wood installation and more. Contractors also get a boost from BigHomeProjects.com by reaching clients who need their skills, making it easier to find work and grow their business.